Hi friends, if you want to learn AEM authoring concept in 1 hour, here I have added videos for you. I have provided links for how to download and install AEM software in local machine. Please refer the links in the comment section.
Today I am going to explain how to open AEM author instance on our local machine. There are two ways to open the AEM instance in our local machine. So this is the jar file which we downloaded. There are two instances are there. First one is author and another one is publish. The author environment default port is 4502 and publish environment we are using for 4503. For the run mode, we can use any port number to open for a QA preview. Now I am going to open author instance by, by clicking the jar file. Once you have opened the jar file, the SIRX quick start files are going to extract. This is one way we are going to open the AEM instance. I am going to explain for other way. You can go to the command line, type java jar and your jar file name aem author port p4502 jar, and we need to give GUI graphical user interface. If you are not given that graphical user interface, the instance are running or not, we don't know exactly. I will show it. We are not getting any pop-up for the instance are running or not. Now we will open by GUI. We will get the notification the instance are running. These two ways we are going to open the AEM instance on our local machine.
Guys, in this video I am going to talk about how to download AEM 6.5 jar file in Adobe Software Distribution Portal. I have provided the link in the video description. Open the link and you can sign up using your username and password. Once you have done, it will redirect to the respective download page. You can click the accept button and you can start to download. Once your download is started, you will get the jar file from your download. You can cut the jar file and create folder AEM. Inside we can create two instances like author and publish. You can paste the jar file in both folder. You can rename the file based on the environment. Now we are in author environment. You can rename the file. Author port default is 502. We are using only for odd numbers. AEM hyphen author hyphen port 4502. Same for publish. AEM hyphen publish hyphen port 4503. You can click the jar file. Your AEM instance is started. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video to your friends. Thanks again. In this video, I am going to discuss about AEM authoring basics and features. I'm going to log in using admin credential as admin. Once we log in, we will get the default page as start.html is the main page of AEM. In this AEM, we have for multiple features. First one is header and navigation, tools section, and in header we have for search, Adobe Marketing Cloud solutions, and inbox and user profile and help. First, I am going to discuss about project in navigation section. In every jar file, there are provide for default project as vRetail. You can go inside vRetail. For each project, we have for project info, team member, which site is mapped for this project, and what are the assets we have used, and workflows. Apart from that, if you need to add anything additionally like task, emails, links, we can add it here. So task list added here. If you want to go back, we can click for this experience manager. Next, we are going to discuss about sites. In sites, we are going to maintaining for all the pages. Go back. Next one is experience fragment. If we need to create common section across the site or multiple pages, we can go for the experience fragment option. We can create a variation also here. The next one is assets. In assets, we are going to manage for DAM. So digital assets management, we are going to maintain it here. Next, we are going to check for search option. In search option, we can search anything here like sites, experience fragment, assets, everything we can search it using for the search option. Next one is Adobe Marketing Cloud solution. We can use for analytics, campaign, audience manager, targets, for some other features also available here. We can use all in our projects. Next one is inbox. For all the notification messages, for the workflows relevant, everything we can get it here. Next one is user profile. Which profile you are going to log in, the entire information available for here. In this video, I am going to talk about how to create new page in AEM. Inside sites only we are going to create a pages. So I'm going to click the sites. Here it's asking to select the template. What is meant by template? Templates are predefined structure of the page with the initial content and the components that can be used. I'm select the content page template and click next. Give the name and title of the page. I'm selecting first page. Then create. Our page successfully created. This is our page. I'm going to add the contents and the images. Go to edit. This is the edit mode of our page. Here we have some other modes are there like layout, developer, time wrap and targeting. In left side panel we have some toggle side panel option is there. Here we can select for assets, it need components and content tree. This is for page property informations. Here we can open properties, start workflows, edit templates, view as published mode, everything option available here. We can add the component in two ways. Either drag and drop component here from the toggle panel, or we can add it here. I'm going to add for some text component, and then I'm going to add the content. And save it. And I'm going to add one more component as image. Here we have option for drag and drop the assets, or we can browse and upload the assets. I'm going to open the site toggle panel. Add the image and save it. Then I'm going to check it for preview. We need to check it in device. We can use the emulator option. If you want to check it in a published mode, we have to check it via view as published option. This is our first demo page. In this video, I am going to talk about assets management. What is meant by assets? Assets is a digital assets management tool that is an integral part of the Experience Manager platform and enable your enterprises to manage and distribute the digital assets. Users across an organization can manage, store, and access many types of digital assets such as images, videos, documents, audio, and rich media files on the web. In AEM, I am going to explain how to upload an image and use in our page. In main navigation, we have option for assets and go to files. I have already created folder called demo. Here I am going to upload the image, create files, and select the image and upload. And go to our previous created page. So first page, I am going to refresh. Our uploaded images are available in toggle panel. So I am going to create a new component. Go to layout container, select image component and edit, drag and drop the image and save it. Before we need to just give alt tag. Then check it in preview. In this video, I am going to talk about how to create live copy and how to use rollout configuration from Blueprint. Go to sites. We have vRetail project. Under language master, we have EN and we have our first page. This is our demo page. I am going to create live copy for this page too. Under US, English here. create live copy, select the source under language master, English, first page and next. Select the destination, US, English and next. Need to give that name. Then need to select the rollout configuration. I'm going to select standard rollout configuration. For standard rollout configuration, we need to sync from source and destination files. Then create. Done. The pages are created here as well. Go and check. This is demo live copy and this is our original source file. Go and check the properties. Open properties. This is the blueprint. In this blueprint, I have took copies from language master to United States English demo live copy. Here you can see the live copy, which source the page is created. And we have selected for standard rollout configuration. Here I am going to change the text. Save it. And go to properties. Blueprint. Then rollout. If you want a specific page, you can select the specific page. Otherwise, you can give all the pages. Now, here you will see we are not touched anything in this page. The content is automatically triggered here. We can able to change anything from this content because of it's inherited from the master baseline branch. If you want to change the content, you can cancel the inheritance. Then we can work for the specific component. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to publish and unpublish the web pages in AEM. Go to sites, retail, language master, English is our created page, first page. Select the page and do the quick publish. Otherwise, we can use manage publication as well. Here we have option for publish and unpublish. We have option for scheduling. If you want to deploy it now, we can use the now option. If you want to later deployment, we can select the date and time for the deployment. And we have some other option as well. To activate the page, select the page and go to timeline and start workflow. Select the workflow model, request for activation and workflow title. activation demo page. Then click next, select the page. In inbox we got notification for that workflow. You can complete it. Create version. It's showing for waiting for activation. Admin to activate the page. Now you see the page. Page is published by workflow process. This is the way we are going to publish the pages and assets in AEM. In this video, I am going to talk about how to open the AEM jar file via command prompt. Go to the respective author folder, type cmd, type java-jar space your jar file name AEM-4502.jar space GUI graphical user interface. Sometimes if I open the AEM jar file directly, the quick start screen is not appearing. If you open via command prompt using GUI, this quick start screen will be appear. In this video, I am going to discuss about the features of page properties, how to unlock the page and lock the page, and how to use the copy and what is the difference between copy and live copy, and how to move the file from one folder to another folder. Let's discuss one by one. Go to properties. In properties we have for basic, advanced, thumbnail and permissions and blueprint options are available. In basics we have for title, tags and on time, off time and vanity options also available. In advanced we have for language settings and template setting, authentication record. These are all the information available. For thumbnail we can select the preview image, and blueprint which page this having for current live copies. And now for lock. If you have done any changes but it's not moved live, so if you want to keep it for safe, then I am going to use for lock option. And then copy. If you want to copy this page to another folder, like I am selecting this page and copy, and go to Italio and paste the page. Select and go to page properties. You can see there is no blueprint option available. But in our current page for English experience, first page, go to properties, go to blueprint. We have for 3 live copies. So this is the difference between copy and live copy. And next one is for move. If you want to move the file from one folder to another folder, I am going to use this option. I am going to use the same name, so I am going to click next and select the destination Arabic, then next. Here it is showing the page is published already. So I am going to move page. Okay. Here you see from English experience first page I am going to move under main. In this video I am going to talk about how to create version and compare the version and revert the version in AEM. Go to sites or default project vRetail, language master, under English. This is our demo page. Select and go to timeline. Here we have option, click it and save as a new version. I have created version here for a few seconds ago and I am going to edit the page now. Here I am going to add for new image. Select. I am going to drag and drop for the another image. In this page I have one text, green color image and sunrise image, and I have added another image also now. Okay. Again I am going to the version, refresh the page, select the page. It will show page edited few seconds ago by administrator. Again I am going to create a new version. Here I have created the version. Now I am going to check for compare. Compare we have two options. One is page comparison and we can use for Timewarp option. First I am going to explain how to check for compare option in via version. Select the page. This is our existing version. Select the version. We have option to compare to current version. Here you can see we have added for this new image. While comparing the version, we have identified for that. And I am going to check now for Timewarp option. Timewarp option we can check by date and time wise. Go to Timewarp. I am going to select for previous date. How this page was look and feel. Here you see for our newly added image not available. We can check the pages as per date. How the pages was look like. Go to exit Timewarp. And I am going to explain for how to revert the version. Select the page, select the edition which you want. I am going to use for this test version. I need this version, so I am going to revert this version. The page is restored. So I am going to check the page again now. Here you see we have added a new image. After refresh, the image is not available. This is the way we can use for version, compare and revert in AEM. In this video, I am going to talk about Adobe Experience Manager, the feature of Experience Fragment. What is meant by Experience Fragment? Group of one or more components including contents and layout. It is a part of an experience and can be used across multiple pages. It is made up of one or more components with a layout in a paragraph system. We can create an experience fragment inside another experience fragment, and we can create different variation and share the content and component. The main use of experience fragment is if author want to reuse the part or in a page, they need to copy and paste the fragment. Creating and maintaining this copy-paste experience is time consuming and prone to user errors. Experience fragments eliminates the need of copy and paste. Let's create experience fragment in local. Once you logged in, you have option for experience fragments. Click experience fragments. We have option for create folder, and we can create. Go to test project, create experience fragment. I'm going to use experience fragment web variation. Open. Here we have a layout container. Got all the features there while creating a page. Same feature available for experience fragment also. If we need to create common section for multiple pages, then we are going to use for experience fragment. This is layout container. Here we can going to add what are all the sections we need. Here I am going to add one text and one image component. I am going to add the images. Going to toggle side panel, assets, drag and drop the image, and done. and OK. Now I have created one experience fragment for showcase left side image and right side content. Then I am going to use for this in our retail project. Go to sites, retail, language master, EN, experience and test page. Edit. In test page, I am going to add for one experience fragment component. We need to use our experience fragment. Go to assets. Instead of image, you can search for experience fragment. It will show what all the variation you have created. It will be available here. We have created one common section and used in the test page. If you want to create variation, we can create. Last video, we have discussed about how to create experience fragment. I have provided the link in the description. In this video, I am going to discuss about how to create experience fragment variation. Go to experience fragment, test project. Here I am going to create for variation. I am going to create same for web variation. Create. I am going to copy the content. Here I am going to change for the variation. I have created for experience fragment and the variation. Now I am going to use for variation in another page. Go to sites, retail, language master, English, create new page, content page, template, create. This is for our previous experience fragment, and I am going to choose for variation. This is the way we are going to create for experience fragment and experience fragment variation. We can use this experience fragment in multiple pages. If we need to reuse the common section in multiple pages, we can use for experience fragment option. And if we need for variation in the experience fragment, we can create a variation as well. In this video, I am going to talk about how to use content fragment in Adobe Experience Manager. What is content fragment? Content fragments are editorial content. Primarily, we are using only for text and related images. They are pure content without any design and layout. In Adobe Experience Manager, content fragment allow you to design, create, curate and publish the independent content. They allow you to prepare content ready for use in multiple locations over multiple channels. Content fragments can also deliver in JSON format using Sling model JSON exporter. Let's go to the video. I am logging using admin credential. Go to sites, files. Here we can create one folder. The folder name is I am going to give for content fragment training. Once I created the folder, go to content fragment, select the model, then next give the content fragment name. Once create. Once we created, we need to give the content inside. And just added the content which I have in my local. Just copied and pasted here. This is the content I am pasted and I am going to use for in content fragment. And just description and some hours. I'm going to use it for bold. Then save. It's processing, so we need to publish the content fragment. Go to manage publication, then publish now. Then select and publish. So successfully we have published. Then go to sites now. And we retail language master English. I'm going to use for experience page. Go to edit. Add the content fragment component. Inside content fragment, I am going to select for our created content fragment. Inside content fragment training, I am going to use for this content fragment. Then select, then OK. Our contents are added here. Check it in preview and check it via view as published mode. This is our content. This is the way we are going to use for content fragment model and content fragment in authoring. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video to your friends. Thanks again.